Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to invite friends on Bitget. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bitget web application, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Bitget? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type bitget.com. That's going to take you to the official website for Bitget. Once you get into the website, go through the on-screen prompt to create your account by clicking on the sign up button. Use the sign up button to create a new account and use the login button to log in using an existing account. Now, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Bitget. Now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to invite friends on Bitget. From your homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. The last icon you're going to find is your profile picture. Click on that. Just move your cursor to that area. You don't need to click on that. Now you have an extended menu that says security, identity verification, coupons, my campaigns, address books, API keys, and logout. Now, before API keys, you're going to find this invite friends to get up to 1,620 USDT whooping. Awesome. And you even have your referral code that you can copy and share to your friends. Let's quickly hop into this. So click on that so that can take you to the invite friends window. It's coming right up. So here we are in this window after clicking on invite friends. So in here you have your referral code that you can click. So copy this to copy your referral code, or just copy and paste this. Now you have this referral link. This is your referral code. You can copy. You have your referral link. So you can also copy your referral link and send it to your friends. Then you have this share button. Now click on the share button and it's going to take you to different socials. Where, okay, that's Telegram, just Telegram, sure. I don't want to go to Telegram. So you have this invite button. Then you can click on this invite button to just invite as many people as possible. Okay. Now here, you can copy link, you can share on Telegram, you can share on Twitter, you can share on Reddit, you can share on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Insights. So that's pretty much it. Get your referral code, get your referral link, and invite as many people as possible. That's it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.